my name is Jacob. We're here at Cambridge Center Honda. It's a beautiful day, and we're going to go over a bit of the adaptive cruise control features. We're here in the Pilot, and we're going to show you how the adaptive cruise works. And now I'm going to enable cruise control, adaptive cruise control. And you can see on the gauge it brings up a display. We're approaching our speed limit here. I'm going to go just about over it, and then we're going to hit set. And now you can see on the dash that my max speed there is 75, and it can see the vehicle in front of me. And it's going to keep the distance I set. Here I'm going to adjust the distance to middle. That's what I'm comfortable with here. And as we approach this light, you can also see them turn out of my lane. There they are, they're gone now. And if I want it like a normal cruise, I'll push and hold the distance markers, and now it's on cruise mode. So now if I want to set it at 75 or 77, I guess, I'll just set it there. And if I want to adjust it, just like a normal cruise, it's up and down with this button. To set our cruise, we'll just push this little car and speedometer icon, and that sets us up. Let's say we reach our max speed. Our speed limit for this road is 70. When we get to 70, we can hit down to set the speed, and then we can push this button here to adjust the distance between us and the vehicle in front. So our distance adjustment works in seconds. That is, seconds from you to the vehicle in front. The closest setting, being here nearest, will follow at around 83 feet if you're doing 80 kilometers an hour, which gives you about a second. The furthest follows at 213 feet, which is 2.9 seconds, a more modest amount of time. Going down from there, second furthest at 154 feet, which is around 2.1 seconds follow distance. And then second closest option here will give you a second and a half, or 110 feet. If I want to increase that 70 kilometer an hour speed limit that I've set before, I'll just hit up to add speed. And if I want to reel it back, I can hit down to decrease it back to whatever I want. And then to disable the system entirely, we'll just push the cruise again. Adaptive cruise control will automatically disable either under hard braking, where ABS is triggered, or hard acceleration, abrupt steering input, in extreme weather scenarios, or on rolling hills where this sensor can be blocked or your camera is blocked, or when the vehicle in front of you becomes too close, out of the adaptive cruise control's range. And that's the operation of your adaptive cruise control system. If you have any questions, let us know here at Cambridge Center Honda. We'd be happy to help.